Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you today with another review. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two. I've been working online from home since 2015, earning a full-time income. And showing others how to do the same thing. And I wanted to, of course, lead with proof, but also to give you guys some information about the system that I've been using that's allowing me to generate a full-time income. And I'm showing others how to do the same thing. Another weekly payment. We get paid every single Wednesday using the system. And I am extremely excited because I have a new traffic generation strategy that I'm going to be presenting to everyone for those who cannot afford paid traffic. And I noticed that a lot of people, they stop promoting their business, or they're not as enthused, or what's the word I'm looking for? They're not as motivated to present their business opportunity because a lot of people don't have the cash flow that they need for traffic. And that's why I'm here today, because as I find more different traffic generation strategies, I will be bringing that to everyone so that people know that you can earn a full-time income from home, even if you need to do it on a budget. It is extremely possible. So with that said, for those that don't know, I've been involved with the Paralead system, and I've been using that as a traffic generation method to earn a full-time income online. And I've been bringing in hundreds of dollars, sometimes even thousands, on a weekly basis utilizing the system. And right now I have a total of $1,237 that I can deposit into my account from the Paralead system, just promoting the Paralead system and showing others how to generate leads, traffic, and sales using the system. Okay. And it's extremely simple to do. You just have to be consistent with using the method that I'm providing. Okay. So for those that don't know, there's different levels: the gold, diamond, platinum, and master traffic institute level. The gold is a $53 monthly payment, the diamond being a one-time payment of $147. The platinum is a one-time payment of $497, and the Master Traffic Institute is a one-time payment of $1497. The gold allows you to get residual $20 commissions. The diamond allows you to get $100 commissions, platinum $400 commissions, and the Master Traffic Institute $1,000 commissions. Okay, and just going into my account to show you guys how I've been doing with it. Every time you get someone that either opts in or they sign up with your program, you do get an email, and this is what it looks like. So your gold memberships, those are $20. The diamonds are $100. And when you have a person coming as a fast start bonus, those are $400 commissions. And as you can see, I've been getting a lot of them over the course of the last year. And what I do is I show people how to pump traffic. Here's another fast start bonus. Pump traffic to their link and earn commissions on a consistent basis by using the traffic generation strategies that I provide. So here's gold, diamond, fast start bonus, another gold. There's two fast starts, so that's $800. The diamond level 3, that's $300. The gold level, that's 4, that's a total of $80. And diamond here, fast start, these go on and on and on. Fast start, diamond, fast start, gold. These are leads that came in. Okay, as you can see, I'll open up all of the ones that says that someone joined, so I can see who they are and connect with them and get them started. And I show you exactly how to do the same thing. Here's a fast start. In July, had another fast start in gold and gold. So this is just to go to show you how it works. To use the system, you just click here on the easy button. It tells you exactly how to get started. For all of the diamond, platinum, and Master Traffic Institute members, I will set up your funnel for you within 48 hours, so you can just start driving traffic to that funnel. Now, what I want to show you is with my Facebook page. What I've been able to actually do is generate traffic by getting engagement on my posts. And that's something that a lot of people have a hard time doing. And this is just one of the strategies that I use. And there's, for those that don't want to use social media, you don't have to, but I want to show people this because it's free and it works. So yesterday I had over 179 people that commented, that liked my post, and over 70 comments and 3 shares on one post. So if you have this many people engaging with your post, that's more people to actually take a look at your opportunity. And then what I had here is on September 10th, which was 2 days ago, I had over 335 people like my post and 90 comments. And this is really hard for people to do. And then the day before that, a total of 200 comment likes and 46 comments, 1 share. So what I want to do is show people how to get a lot of people to engage on your post and actually inquire about your business, and then you can get signups that way. And I'm going to be having this training when people become a part of my team, to show people exactly how to do this. And this is just a strategy, one of the strategies that I use, and this is a really easy and fast way to get people to join your opportunity, to get consistent traffic and leads to your business. Okay, sorry guys, it's a little cold here. And it works, and it's one of the easiest ways that I've been able to accumulate the leads, the traffic, and commissions that I've been receiving. I'm going into my commissions earned for the year. I'm at about almost $61,000 for this year alone. Within the last 12 months, because I've only been with the program for 12 months, I generated a little bit over $70,000 with the program. And it's simple to do. It's easy enough to do. You just have to follow the consistent strategy that I teach you. So if you're interested in learning more about the program and you're ready to start, my information will be in the description below. If you would like to reach out to me, if you have any questions before you get started, I am also available, and that information is below. So thanks so much for viewing my video. I hope everyone is enjoying their week. Stay inspired to start your home-based business, and I'll speak to you guys again tomorrow. Have a great day.